This one goes out to my Rolling Stone fans. Get off of my cloud. Just a short parody. Yeah! I'm in a competition, started 52nd in the race. And I sat at home looking at my desktop, imagine I'm first place. Then in comes this thought in my head, just like a dream come true. It says I've won it all. I think to myself, yeah, why not you? I thought, what can I do to make sure I win? Must reach out now to all of my friends. Ask them to vote again and again. Don't burn them out, 'cause this first round is so long, baby. First round actually ends this Thursday, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Help make me famous. Get me across the finish line. We've got like 3 weeks left, and that means 3 major rounds. So I need this free base voting for me every single day. A lot of girls are jumping by hope votes alone. I've made it to where I am by free votes, and that says a lot for all of you guys. You rock. I love you. You're awesome friends, and I just can't tell you how thankful I am for all of you. So, yeah, don't burn out. Stay with me all the way. These are just a couple of cute little shots. I am in first place. It's free to vote every 24 hours. Hope votes cost $1. Votes and can be placed anytime. Free votes are only once every 24 hours. Kids 10 and up can vote for free. So if your kid is one of them that I blessed through my bike ministry a couple years ago, say, hey, Miss Winnie needs a love vote from you, and have them jump on and give me a vote. To vote either for free or by Hope Votes, you just go to votefab40.com/2022 Wendy Glidden. There's a link on my Facebook page, which should pull up, I guess nowadays, if you do an @ Wendy Glidden. I guess my social media comes up, and there are links everywhere to this to vote. I love everyone. I want to win this so bad. I just can't even tell you. So stay with me. Thank you.